Hello, this is RAWATRON electric mobility scooter with hard top and windshield. This fits to any elevator or door, custom size. It has this mini seat which pulls down, comes up for if you have a small kid to sit in the front. Foot brake, parking brake, storage here, storage underneath the seat, storage in the back. This is perfect for riding in style. A lot of space for groceries, running your errands. It's a 60 volt, only $2,700 for limited time on sale. Financing available. Basic functions: keys, fob, alarm, remote start, anti-theft, hook for your groceries, space for your drink holder, LED display, space to put on the front, 3-speed, drive and reverse option, brakes, light option, signals, it's a parking setup. There's a space underneath the seat. Let me show you. The key goes right here underneath the seat, which pops it open. Yeah. So plenty of space underneath the seat. This is your battery kill switch. You can keep your charger there too. Additional storage here. The charging point is right here under this flap. This is your charging point. Thank you.